What is the process for restoring gun ownership rights for felons?
Hello and welcome. Today, we'll be discussing an important topic, the process of restoring gun ownership rights for felons. This process can be complex and varies greatly depending on the jurisdiction. It's important to note that legal advice must be sought for specific situations, as this guide provides a general overview and should not be used as a definitive legal guide.
Why can felons lose their gun rights?
To start, let's understand why felons lose their gun rights. Under U.S. federal law, those convicted of a felony crime that carries a potential prison sentence of more than 1 year lose their right to possess firearms, according to the Gun Control Act of 1968. This law's main aim is to deter violent crime and ensure public safety.
Can these rights be restored?
Yes, these rights can be restored. The process for restoration, however, can be complex and often requires legal assistance. There are three main ways to regain these rights: pardon, expungement, or restoration through state law. Each of these has its own specific criteria and legal process.
How does a pardon work?
A pardon is a forgiveness of the crime by the executive branch of the government, which in the federal system is the president, and in state systems is usually the governor. If a pardon is granted, it typically restores all civil rights, including gun ownership. Each executive office usually has its own pardon application process and criteria, so the specifics will depend on the jurisdiction.
What is expungement?
Expungement is a legal process where the legal record of an arrest or a criminal conviction is sealed or erased in the eyes of the law. This effectively restores the individual's status to the point before the arrest or conviction. Not all convictions are eligible for expungement, and the process varies greatly by jurisdiction.
How can state laws restore rights?
Some states have laws or processes in place specifically for the restoration of rights. For example, in some states, gun rights are automatically restored after a certain period of time has passed after the sentence is completed. In others, there may be a petition process to the court. It's crucial to consult with a legal expert or conduct thorough research into your specific state's laws and regulations. Regaining gun ownership rights after a felony conviction is a complex process that often requires legal help. It is also a process that requires patience, as it can take a considerable amount of time. Always consult with a legal expert for your specific circumstances. We hope this video has provided some helpful insight into this process, and we encourage you to seek further knowledge and legal advice as needed. Thanks for watching.